How do you treat cognitive load? Cognitive load, just to give you a little bit of background, is the cumulative weight on what you're asking your brain to do throughout your mental efforts each day. And when you try to do too many things, you load it down. Literally, you load it down. In our always on, always available culture filled with constant stimuli and information overload, managing cognitive load is critical if you want to perform at an elite level. Okay. So, what I want to do is in this video, I want to kind of give you some strategies to treat cognitive load, help you understand who can help you with this challenge. And then number three, I'll obviously want to explain how can Tiger Medical help you with cognitive load. But let's talk about strategies. There's 5 of them, and I think that they'll be helpful. First of all, you got to prioritize your tasks. One effective strategy is to plan your day and prioritize things and break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps. And then focus on completing one at a time, okay? This will help you reduce the cognitive load by avoiding multitasking, which does not work, okay? Research is clear on that. Number 2, mindfulness and meditation. Have a regular meditation, mindfulness practice, because what this does is it reduces your overall stress profile, it brings you into the present, and it helps you stop obsess about the past or the future and those kind of things that are operating under the hood while you're trying to focus, work against your brain's energy and put load on you cognitively, okay? A third thing is just doing really good time management, okay? Planning your day rather than reacting to stimuli that comes at you, okay? That's another way to avoid multitasking. Number 4, minimize distractions, okay? Turn off the notifications, get in a place where you don't have noise, because these things will help conserve cognitive resources, all right? Creating an environment that is conducive to concentration will reduce cognitive load. And then finally, be organized. I plan my whole week out and each day down to very specific tasks that I'm going to work on that are already broken down. And by doing that, and by keeping notes rather than trying to remember stuff in your head, setting reminders rather than trying to remember, these are little things, they're little hacks that will help you eliminate the load on you cognitively. Okay, now who can help you? Well, psychologists can, because they can look at your stress levels. If you've got anxiety, they can use techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy to help you reframe your thought patterns. You can go to counselors that offer guidance in the same kinds of area with just a little less clinical, approach. And then physicians can be good because, physiology, your underlying health can have an impact on how you feel, what your mental fatigue levels are, okay? And, or you may be, struggling with PTSD or something like that, or ADD. So anyway, those are 3 areas that 3 different types of professionals you can go to get help. Now, I want to tell you, how does Tiger Medical help with cognitive load? Well, I'm going to try to be really brief here. We do extensive testing, based on the level that you participate with us in. And what we do is we go find all the underlying causes that are contributing to your inability to focus, to be sharp mentally rather than fatigued. And we can eliminate those things through testing and health coaching, okay? Now, the other thing we do is we also are a peak performance company, and so we can teach you, stress management techniques, sleep improvement techniques, other health habits that will all improve your physiology, your resilience, and improve your ability to bring elite levels of concentration. And we also teach you how to eliminate the distractions. So go to our website at tigermi.com, go up, click on health assessment, and you can meet with me or one of our professionals. Or go to our learning center and just learn more and get yourself familiarized with our content until you get comfortable and you're ready to have a call with us. Thank you. I hope it was helpful.